everyone, Amanda here. Thanks for joining me today. I just thought I'd come and share a project that I've been working on quietly in the background for a week or so, a little bit of a time when I've felt like crafting, and it's really helped to bring my mojo back and inspire me to make some more items. So this is I've used a digital kit to create a mini album, and this is called Mabel's Garden, purchased from an Etsy lady on Etsy called Janie B. I'll leave a description in the box below. I've had this on my computer for quite a while, and I just thought, you know what, I'm gonna just print it out and see what happens, and I've ended up creating this lovely kind of 6x6 mini album. It's absolutely lovely, and this is the first mini album I've made completely from scratch, using all of my own measurements and, you know, not following a tutorial. So it is a chipboard mini album. It's quite large. I could have maybe made it a little bit smaller, but I didn't know how much I was going to embellish it or how many photos will go in, so I've left plenty of room. And on the front page here I have, if you can see, it is 3D, so I have the same image underneath. I have fussy cut from cardstock and popped it up on foam dots, and then I don't know if you can just see there, I have stippled it with glitter to highlight some areas, and we've got some lovely little crystals on each corner. The spine is approximately, it's quite large actually, it's about 3 inches. I think next time I might try for a thinner spine, but it was my first try, and apart from this getting the sizing right, the rest, I'll just zoom out, the rest of it is pretty flawless, and that's not me bragging. I'm absolutely astounded that I've managed to do it without mucking it up. And so it's lovely, it's perfect, and it's beautiful in every way. So we've got this lovely lace down there and this beautiful ribbon bow cluster, and then the back here has also got beautiful papers lined. All of the papers are all gently inked around the edges, every single piece of paper, so that it's you know, just stands out a little bit from the lovely white cardstock there. So the cover is chipboard, so it is lovely and solid, wrapped with very heavyweight white cardstock, and I'm really pleased with how it all lays and it all lines up nicely, and I, you know, really took my time and tried really hard with it. So the only thing that's not complete is I'm going to hand dye some seam binding in a lavender colour to add to each tag that you see in here. That's the only thing I haven't finished. So the front page and the back page are the same. They've both got a pocket. This one says family. We've got some cheesecloth and this little flower, and in here it's quite a big pocket. It holds quite a lot. We've got a envelope here for putting receipts or memorabilia in. We've got 2 matted cards, either for journaling or adding photos to. Okay, and then we've got some beautiful decorative tags, for, you know, taken from the kit. I've not really done very much else to them because the images are so beautiful. I did print out in photo quality so that the colours were really bright and really stood out, and I'm just absolutely thrilled with how it's turned out. So this page here, we've got this little closure with this is Mabel. That, you know, it's called Mabel's Garden, so as far as I'm concerned, she's called Mabel. We've got 2 little purple crystals there, and then this little flower just gently holds this little flap closed here, and then when we open it, we've got these beautiful papers just for photo mats. It is a mini album for photos, so it's not a junk journal, and a totally different concept to what I'm normally making. So I've just let the papers speak, because you would put your photos on here. Okay. And you can write on it if you want. You can do what you want with it, or you can just sit and look at it. It will be going for sale in my Etsy shop. I'll leave a link in the description box below. So there's 6 of these pages, and each one has a side pocket with a photo mat there, with obviously you can put photos on 4 sides. So there's 6 of those, so that's 24 photo mats straight away. And then each page, obviously 6, 12, 24, there's loads, I've not even counted how much space you've got for photos. So then we turn that over, and on this spread we've got a double side pocket. This is cardstock layered with the digital image to make it really strong. So it's not just a digital image, it's all cardstock, so it's really sturdy. And these have got tags and a little photo mat stroke journaling card in. Okay, beautiful. This one says bliss, and we've got a little rhinestone, and this one says happiness. Okay, and we've got another photo mat there, and all of them open up like that. So I won't get every single one out because I think you get the gist. Every single page has got one. And they slide in there beautifully. I'm really pleased with how it's all worked out. To say that I've, you know, used all my own measurements and made it up as I've gone. So this page here, beautiful again. We've just got this little cutout. It says wishes. We've got some little rhinestones. That one just wants pushing over. And this little card here is just enough to just weight that shut. There's no magnets or anything because that adds to your costing. So that just holds it nicely, and that opens up, and we've got another photo mat there. And the back of these are all lined with beautiful paper as well. I've not skimped, everything's lined with paper. This is just a plain page, plain photo mat page. I just wanted to show that beautiful image. We've got another one of those four-way photo mats there, and then this one opens, and I undid it because I did do a video and the lighting wasn't very good. So this ribbon is attached round the back and it closes like so, and then when you open that, we've got this beautiful photo mat lifts up and this one lifts down. So we've got basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 photo mats there. Beautiful. And then this one is just Mabel. I've just left her plain as a big photo mat, and then we've got another card there. Okay, so it's not got loads of flips, but the idea of this is I've let the beautiful images of the kit make the album. That's what makes it special. It's breathtakingly beautiful. The colours are stunning. It's a lovely, lovely, lovely kit. Okay, and I've chosen all the images very carefully so that, you know, each page is different. And so this one, so to make it easier for myself, very much what I've done in the front of the album, I've repeated at the other side. So we've got another one of these flip opens, and again each one of the flips is lined with paper. Okay, and we've got another pocket in, you know, photo mat in there. So again, we've got the double spread with the pockets. We've got little flowers. It says beauty and dream, and each one has got, this one's got a double like journaling tag there. And obviously, you know, this is cardstock with the digital image. I'm going to be adding the same. What I'm going to do is, I can't remember if I told you at the beginning. I forget what I've said, me, I'm terrible. I'm going to hand dye some seam binding in the lavender colour, and this will get added to these as well. Okay, it's the only bit that I haven't finished. So again, we've got this lovely, we've got Mabel there sat at her window looking at the garden, and she's holding another photo mat closed like so. It's really pretty. And then the back page here, we've got a big pocket with tags and journaling cards and envelopes. There's an awful lot in there, and you can put an awful lot in, and it's very, very sturdy and very carefully made so that it will take the weight of photos as well. It's beautiful, and it just flows lovely, and it lies lovely, and all the pages open nicely without sticking, and I'm really, really pleased with it. So I think I will be making some more. I don't think I'll be doing tutorials on mini albums because they take me, you know, it takes me, I think it's a bit of a skill doing a mini album tutorial, and anybody that does them, you know, hats off to you, because these took me a good while. You know, I needed to concentrate and think about what I was doing. So there you go, beautiful, beautiful kit. I'll leave the links in the description box below. It will be for sale on my Etsy if anybody wants to purchase this. The joy for me is in the making, and then I like them to find loving homes. So there you go. Thanks for watching, take care, and I will see you again very soon. I've got lots of lovely ideas in the pipeline to share with you. Bye for now.